Need quick cash? Today I'll show you how to get a loan on the Truebalance app in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1, make sure you have the Truebalance app from the Google Play Store. Open it and sign up with your registered phone number. It's super quick. Step 2, enter some basic details like your name and income to check your eligibility. The app will instantly tell you what loan options you qualify for. Step 3, go ahead and complete your KYC and upload your PAN, Aadhaar, and selfie, and a bank statement. Don't worry, it's 100% digital and secure. Step 4, pick your loan, whether it's a cash loan or a level up loan. Then set up auto debit with your bank details. Hit submit and you're almost there. Step 5, once you're approved, the money lands in your account fast, sometimes in just minutes. Truebalance partners with RBI licensed NBFCs, so it's safe and legit. That's it, guys. Download Truebalance, apply, and get your funds hassle-free. Got questions? Drop them below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay financially empowered.